just 1 minute before the market closed at 3:59 p.m., we detected these 5,000 unusual options on Intel stock today, September 22. And so in this video, we will take a deeper look at whether or not these call options mean that the stock is going to bounce up from here. Because as you may know, Intel stock has been selling off along with the rest of the market this week. And so we've been getting a lot of questions about this, especially since this was previously one of our member trades. Back on June 28, we got in long on Intel with our members. And as you can see, it's been very profitable. And on this day, that was September 18, we took profits because we analyzed and detected some data that was bearish. And so we told our gold level members, because they get access to our update management videos and when we close trades. And so if you are a gold level or you become one, you can always look back and find that video on September 18 when we published our video announcing that we were closing our trade. Okay, and also if you joined our membership, you'll be able to also look back on June 28 when we told all of our members to go long on Intel on June 28. And so this is the value of our membership, how we can beat the market, and also hope our members can also participate while we do that and to learn how we use data to beat the market. All right. If you are interested in joining, click the join button on our channel homepage. And so without further ado, let's get into the 5,000 call options that happened a minute before the market closed. Very unusual timing. So these were November 17's 35 strike calls. So let's take a look at the option chain at the 35 strike calls. We can see here the 35 strike calls, there was an open interest of 12,000 and there was the 5,000 volume here. So because this 12,000 is greater than the 5,000, these could be closing trades. They could have bought to close these trades, or they could have bought to open the trades. We need more data to confirm it. However, in both the scenarios, right, if they had bought to open the 35 strike calls, this would be obviously bullish. As you can see here, this is a bullish trade when you analyze it on the profit loss chart here with the positive 48 delta here. So clearly bullish and going long on Intel. This other scenario of if they were to have bought to close these, that would mean that originally they had sold to open this 35 strike call, which was bearish, right? So if they had bought to close it, that means that they were no longer bearish anymore. And so that is a moderately bullish signal for us. So in either case, there is a feeling that there is a moderate bullishness to this recent sell-off, that we think this sell-off is not going to extend much further, that much of that selling is done, and perhaps we'll consolidate around this range, or perhaps we may bounce, but we want to confirm that data. If that was an opening trade, that is more bullish. If it was a closing trade, that would be a very more of a consolidation kind of sentiment, prediction of what we think the data is telling us. So we're always data driven, and if you are interested in the unusual options activity analysis and data on stocks, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you get notified. And as mentioned before, if you want access to the data on other stocks, so that way you can diversify your portfolio and reduce your risk to pick the right stocks to get into, then consider joining our membership by clicking the join button on our channel homepage. Have a wonderful weekend, everybody, and good luck and stay profitable.